Hey everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. This is Wendy, and this is, I think, part 3. I planned on having this done and doing a flip through, but I have been having so much fun, and I'm still working on this. You guys have got to stop me. This is insane. I will admit, I'm really liking the way, okay, so far, you know, it does pop open a little. That's just because I've added a lot of pockets. And but the thing is, it opens flat. All the way flat. I love that it is a flat opening. So, I thought I'd just show you what I've got going on so far. And maybe you guys can yell at me to stop and just be done with this, because I'm going to have to make a tie for this, I'm guessing. We'll see. All right, so what I've got so far. Here is the front page. I got a really cool property book tag. This is just a plain card-like thing, you know, just to journal in, draw in, whatever. All right, so that's the front. Sewn on, and then here's the title page. Here's a couple just random strips of paper, some tickets, and this is some scrap paper as well, and that goes right there. All right, so next one. This is this is mainly a lot of writing, journaling spaces. Here's some, you know, note paper, scrap paper here. And you got it all the way through here. You have a tag, and if you noticed, I've left spots blank because I figure whoever wants, you know, whoever gets this, you know, they'll want to put their own wording and stuff on here. I'm still debating if I need to put something else on here. So here's the tag. Then you have some notebook paper, some more paper to write on, part of the book. Then you have, you know, the junky part. I put in an envelope, repurposed envelope, and then just a really cool index card. Journaling tag, and that goes in here with stitches. I did sew some stuff as well, and then, you know, there's just little spots to write on. Part of the book. And then this is just I found these, location, date, weather, and then today I discovered. I found these at the store. They were $4, and so I just put a little stack of those in here, right there. And then on this side, this is journaling spots. You know, there's different, you write on the whole page. So then, this side, more paper. There's this plain paper and graph paper in here. Journaling tags, you know, with parts of the book on there. You know, another journaling tag, just a plain to write on. Here's a belly band. I don't have a tag made for this yet. This is just from a magazine. I just like the color. So then you have this opens, and this is more writing space. And then next you got spots here. You got a little card here to write on. Then I added a ledger page. I was going to cut this off, and then I'm like, no, I'll just add it in as a little flip to add some interest. So you just have, you know, a ledger page. Haven't done anything to this page yet. So, and then I have this page, which is basically a tuck spot with this big massive card, this journaling tag. And if you notice, I did leave this blank again. You know, I want them, you know, whoever gets this to be able to write or glue or whatever. I'm still debating on putting something here or not. I'm liking the crinkle of these pages because I added like paper bag material. Here's a question for you guys. Should I leave it like this and just leave this blank? I did it twice. I did it here and then I did it here. It's great to write on, but then again, it's great to draw on. So I'm debating just to leave them blank. And let me know what you guys think, if I should do something to this page. Because as of right now, I've got to do, I have this, and then I'm debating on this, and then I have this here. So, and I am, if you notice, I've rounded the edges, except for, I gotta round this one. I'll have to go through and make sure all the edges are rounded on the book. Okay, so this was a tuck spot for this. You guys will let me know about this. And then I will probably do something here. And then I have this spot and this spot still to go. And then I just made, this is a flip out, and this is a tuck spot. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do there yet. And then this back side is a journaling spread, because you can write on this whole thing. So I thought this was kind of cute. I have that, and then I have this back page here, and then I need to do a tag for here. And then on the opposite side is just a journaling spot, and then this envelope has some just old school paper, you know, that newsprint paper. So that's in there. So and then that's the end. So I need to know, should I stop? I mean, I still have to add, I still have pretty many things to add from the book, the cutouts and the wordings, you know. I still have some of these to do still. But I'm like, oh my gosh, and I did end up using some of the stickers. I'm just going to use up this row, and then the rest of them I'll just put them in a pocket or something. So I have this one more little guy to use, and then I'll put that in the inclusion. So what do you guys think? What do I need to do here? What is it missing something? Is it got too much? And the main thing is, what should I do with these? I just love those pages though. So tell me what you guys think about this, about these pages. And I'm just going to keep working on it. So I don't know what else to do. I wanted to keep it as simple as I could, and it is simple. I mean, there's a lot of there's just a lot of writing paper, you know. I don't know. I don't know. So, comment, message me, you know, let me know. This is by far one of my favorites, though. I just love it. Love it. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm still working on this. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And subscribe. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.